3 p.m. You've been sitting at your desk, or maybe just lounging on the sofa for too long. You stand up, and that familiar break time equals 05's dull ache kicks in right at the base of your spine. You instinctively put your hands on your hips, lean back, and try to crack it. Time 0.05's. Maybe you even try to touch your toes, pulling your hamstrings, hoping for that sweet release. For about 10 seconds, it feels okay. But 5 minutes later, the pain is back, usually with a vengeance. If you feel like your lower back is a rubber band that never stretches quite enough, break time of 5's. I have some news that's going to frustrate you. Imperfection. Just stop stretching like that. You are not helping your back. You are feeding a cycle that keeps you in pain day after day, year after year. We've been sold a lie. We think that if our back hurts, break time 0.05's, it's tight, so we need to loosen it up. But think of your lumbar spine as a rubber band that is already stretched to its absolute limit. Break time 0.05's, desperately trying to hold your torso upright. What happens if you take an overstretched elastic and pull on both ends? Critical insight, it doesn't get looser, it gets closer to snapping. When you force a stretch, you aren't relaxing the muscle. You are irritating a tissue that is already screaming for help because it is overworking. Break time 05's. Humanized transition. Think about it, your lower back is the victim here, not the culprit. It's tight because it's trying to protect you. If you keep pulling on it, your nervous system will fight back, creating more tension the second you stand up. I know, this feels counterintuitive. You're holding your back, you're feeling the pain there. So how can the problem be somewhere else? Break time 05's calibration. Listen, your lumbar spine is a bridge. If the bridge collapses, do you blame the road? Break time 0.05's doctor, do you blame the weak pillars holding it up? Usually, the weak pillars are your hips and your core. If your hips are stiff, break time 05's, your lower back has to do their job, rotating and twisting more than it should. If your deep abdominal muscles, your internal corset, are weak, break time 05's, your spine takes all the load of your daily life. Imperfection, and honestly, I get it. Stretching feels like a candy bar. It's a sweet, temporary relief you crave. But just like a candy bar, it's not nutrition, it's not a cure, it's just a distraction. Grieve tone. If you continue this cycle, you aren't just wasting time, you are creating micro-injuries in your spinal discs. Break time 05's. Every time you force a stretch, you are asking your vertebrae to move in ways they aren't meant to when they are already under pressure. Break time 0.05's. The real risk isn't staying stiff. The real risk is instability. When you have a stiff back, you don't need more flexibility. You need stability. Break time 0.05's. You need to teach your core to act like a fortress that shields your discs from every move you make. If you don't stop the tug of war, your back will keep losing the battle.
So, if you stop stretching, what do? You start bracing. We're going to swap the toe touching for bracing. Try this. Instead of leaning forward, lie on your back. Keep your knees bent. Pull your belly button gently toward your spine, not sucking it in, just engaging. Imagine someone is about to poke you in the stomach and you're bracing for it. Hold that for 10 seconds. Breathe. Do it again. That's it. That is your anti-stretch. You are teaching your muscles to be a shield, not a loose, overextended rubber band. Lower back pain is just a smoke alarm. If you keep turning off the alarm by stretching, the fire is still burning behind the wall. It's time to stop trying to stretch out what's already screaming for stability. If you are tired of being a hostage to your back pain, I want you to make a promise to yourself. No more emergency stretching for the next 48 hours. If you're ready to actually heal, hit subscribe.